I'd just like to say thank you for purchasing the AI Compulsive Content Generator. So down below, you're going to see a button, and what you need to do is click on that to be able to get full access to the AI Compulsive Content Generator. So I'm just about to show you how it works now, and it is absolutely vital that you follow this to a T. It is easy. There's only 3 steps, and it makes life so much easier for yourself. This cuts out all the hassle and everything that trying to come up with content gives you. So this is going to free up time. The amount of software and back and forth that we've been trying to put together with this is just incredible, and how we got it down to the T is just amazing. It's taken a lot of time, a lot of effort to create this generator. So I hope that you go ahead and start using it, and you've got unlimited access to this because you purchased this now for this one-time offer. So that was it. That's it. That's no other extra costs, and you get all the content. You get the hashtags, you get the keywords, so you can make videos out of this as well, and you can create as many images that you like. So I'm just going to share my screen and show you exactly what you need to do. Okay, so as you can see here, you've heard of the concept: teach them something, give them value, and it leaves them wanting more. So that is what we're using here. We're using the amazing AI Compulsive Content Generator. So what do we want to talk about? So this works off any type of niche, and you can use it for anything, basically. So for any type of marketing. So we're just going to type in here like network marketing. And now it's going to generate me a prompt to put into ChatGPT to give me five content ideas. So then we just click on we click on the black button, which copies this. Then you click on the pink button, which takes you to ChatGPT, and then you click, you just copy and paste, and then what you do is work. So as you can see here, it's copied exactly what we've trained it to do. Okay, so there's been a lot of coding in the back of this, and you can see it's come up with some content ideas. So when should I send this to my sister? Or stop selling the company before you understand the person? Or follow up isn't broken. Your first conversation was too shallow. See, this one sounds quite good. So I'm going to copy that one. So content number 3. I'm going to go back to the AI. I have my idea. So you click on the green button, and it says your selected compulsive content idea. Paste it into there. Now this is going to give you 5 prompts. Now the 5 prompts is for content creation, and then you got to try this with the prompt. So this is going to help you gain authority online. So where it says try this with AI prompt, you're going to be giving them something. So when it says leave them wanting more, give them value, this is the value that you're giving them. You're giving them a prompt which will give you exactly, it's going to give them exactly what they want. So here we go. So we go with the finished graphic prompt as well. So it comes up with a finished graphic prompt. You got the keyword research prompt. You got the hashtag creation prompt. So I'm going to copy all 4 texts. So this is going to copy the hashtag keywords, the try this with AI and content creation prompt. And then all you got to do is, once you've copied all 4 prompts, open ChatGPT, paste it straight into ChatGPT. So it's just going to load the prompt field there. And then what you're going to see here, it's going to be working on creating your content around that subject that you picked. Okay, so you can see it's starting to work it here. There we go. So going to show you exactly how this would work. So we're doing this. So this was the first one. This was to get your content ideas. So now we've got the content ideas. This one is giving you the content. So as you can see here, it's giving you 1,000 words plus. Okay, talking to you about examples, giving you examples. The second part is reflection, and it's talking them through everything about network marketing and why that particular subject didn't work for them. So as you can see, there's quite a bit of content here, which is amazing. Now, you can see there, it says, try this with AI prompt. And it's got the primary keywords, which you can use in videos, long tail keywords, audience language, okay, question-based keywords. And then you've got your recommended hashtags. So the next part is you go back and then you copy the final image follow-up. And then you go back to your ChatGPT, paste that prompt in there. So it's going to be working on your image. So while that's working on your image, what we're going to do is we're going to go and use this and paste it into social media. So I've just opened this where it says create a post. Next step is to copy. Here we go. So we're going to copy the content that it wrote for us right up until it says try this. Okay. So before you send the next link, make sure you can finish this sentence. I'm sending this, so it told me, blah, blah, blah. So this is giving you a deeper conversation, and that's ending that. So on the end of that, you then go back, make sure you read everything through as well. And then you got this, try this with AI. Okay, so you just want to make sure that you copy. Try this with AI. Post that in there. And now we want the keywords. So the hashtags, because this is a social media. Here we go. Up here, put that in there. So as you can see, it's got all the great hashtags here. So the final bit of the puzzle is this picture. Now, I always say this. Make sure you copy the title. And then what you do is you come down to the picture, click on it, and you make sure you click on that down arrow up in the top right-hand corner, and you paste the name of the picture in that, because otherwise it's just going to come up with a ChatGPT picture. So you can see this 4K picture and how great it fits with the subject. So then you take your picture and you drop it in to your post. So that whole post is going to come up with the try this AI. So it's going to come up with a piece of information here. So people are going to be reading about this. Okay. Once they click on it and see more, they can see all the information written there, all the hashtags, the picture, and it's just creating the authority out there. So it's going to, when people come and click on your post, they're going to see that you've got something to share. And as they come down, they read it all, and then it will say, try this with AI. Use the AI you're already using, ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, Grok, Meta AI, Copilot, or any other general purpose AI assistant. Replace the example information inside the brackets with your own information, then copy and paste it into your own AI. This is a prompt here. So they can copy this and put it into their AI, and then they're going to change like the follow-up, the information that it needs to make it about, you know. So this is great here. This is absolutely great. So it's creating this amazing content for you. This is going to save you time. So I mean, you look how quickly that made that content for us. It's very, very simple. So let's just stop sharing my screen. So you can see how powerful this is. I hope that you've enjoyed this video, and if it is something that you like, hard to try and get your head around it, just have a little play with it to start off with, see where you want to go with it. Don't forget, you can create videos using the information here. So you can use the information and you can break it down into a video and create the video, and then you've got the keywords there and the hashtags as well, and you've got the image. So I suggest that you go out and you try this product, you try this fantastic AI generating tool, and it's going to save you so much time and effort. So go ahead, click the button just below this video, and it's going to take you straight to the software where you can go and test it out for yourself. But thank you for watching, and thank you very much for purchasing.